So we have started learning of JavaScript yesterday. Day before yesterday we started, right, how to add the JavaScript to the HTML page, and how many ways we can add the JavaScript to the HTML page, and how we can declare the variable. So we have discussed about var, let, and constant. So what the purpose also I said, like I told you, var is like a function scope, let and constant both are block scoped, and if you have some unique thing, then we have to use the constant. So we already discussed about the var and let. Today we will discuss about the constant. Okay, constant means it should be unique. So suppose I have, let me comment this out all things. Okay, I will start the fresh one. So here I am giving constant x equal to 10. Okay, or else we will go with the inspect element only. Suppose I am giving this value constant x equal to 10. Okay, if you are trying to reassign that value to something else, suppose you are trying to give this value, right, updating the value as 20, it won't allow you, because constant must be unique and it should not be acceptable. That redeclaration, it won't be acceptable. So you can see the error, assignment to the constant variable, type error, uncut type error, assignment to the constant variable. So it will not accept the reassignment. Okay, but var it will accept. You can see variable x equal, or you can declare some variable a equal to 10. Okay, now if you are giving a equal to 20, then it will be accepted. So what is the a value now, updated value? Initially it was 10 and now we updated to 20. Okay, let's discuss with the let as well. Let x equal to, or already x was defined as constant, so we'll use any other variable. Let b equal to 1 and b equal to 2. Now what is the b value? Sorry, what is the b value? Console.log of b. Console.log of, if you want to check the value in the console, you have to type console.b. Sorry, console.log. So what is the updated value? 2. So you can understand that if you are declaring any variable with the var, it can be redeclare and we can re-update. Let also same, we can declare the variable and we can update the variable. But if you are trying to re-update the variable of let, right, like this, already the value was b equal to 1 and b equal to 2. Redeclare, re-update was happened. Now we are trying to again redeclare the value. Okay, now what is the b value here? B after redeclare, the value is 5. So what you can understand, var can be, where is the var? Yeah, var can be declared and we can redeclare and we can update. Coming to the let also, we can declare, okay, we can update, and also we can redeclare. Coming to constant, we can declare, but we can't re-update. Like a reassignment, it won't be acceptable. Reassignment, it won't be acceptable. And also when you are initializing any value like this, sorry, constant and r something, so it will throw the error, missing initializer in constant declaration. So if you are declaring any constant variable, right, you must initialize some value, then only it will accept. If you are giving constant and if you are not assigning or reassigning any value, it won't accept. When you are creating a constant variable, it must be assigned some value. You can say like test. Okay, now what is the value? Value of y, it will be the test. Okay, now if you want to update, right, sorry, reassign, right, it won't be possible. So I want to make it as hello, it throws the error. That is a redeclare or re-update also, it won't. Suppose I'm again giving constant y equal to something else, what I have to do? Good, like that. So as it is a console, it will be accepting, but but it won't accept the declare re-update with declaring the variable of the constant without assigning in value. So those it can't be accepted. So that is a use of the constant. And let us try if constant is block scoped or function scoped. Suppose here true. If true means automatically it goes to inside that. Here I am declaring value constant. I am declaring d equal to hello. I am giving. Here I am console logging it. Console log d value and sorry d value, and outside also I am giving one console value. Console.log like out of if block. Out of if block, what is the value? Block d value. This is inside. Okay, inside d value equal to, and outside if block d value equal to. So you can type like this. You can see inside the value is hello, and outside if I am trying to access that variable, right, we can't access because d is a constant and constant also a block scoped variable. We can't access this. Now try to create with a variable like update the keyword as var. Now try to access. So this variable d is available inside the block as well as outside the block as well. That is var, because var is a function scoped, it is not a block scoped, that's why. Now comes to let. So I'm declaring the variable with the let. Okay, so we will declare the variable with the another variable because d is already declared as a var, right? So that's why it is coming the value. Let us create a variable f. It is taking that value. Here give it as f. Okay, and here we can give it as f. See, if you are trying to access the f, this is not defined. Reference error, f is not defined because let is a block scoped, we can't access that value outside of it. Var is a function scoped, we can access where we want, and let is a block scoped variable and constant also block scoped variable. This is very important. Okay, so you have to remember this constant cannot be redeclared and cannot be reassigned. It have a block scoped variable. Must be, and when you are creating any value, it must be initialized. So if you are so I told you like it cannot be changed. Okay, the constant values, this one. But if it is like a string, we can't re-update. D equal to another we can't give, but if it is an array or function, we can update the values of that. With the complete reassignment it won't accept, but if you are trying to change the value, right, using the properties or methods of array or function object, that can be possible. We will learn about the data types first, then we'll go with the arrays. Data types first, then we'll go with this changing of constant arrays or objects. Okay, and we already learned about operators, right? Like the arithmetic operators, whatever you want you can try. So the arithmetic operators, you know, right? Arithmetic operators, what are they? Plus, minus, into, divided by, okay, and increment, decrement, sorry, decrement, okay, minus, and assignment operators like equal to. So all can be applicable in JavaScript. Everything will be work fine. Let us learn like the operators. Okay, first let create with a var x equal to 1. X has already been declared. Actually, we have declared the variable with a constant. That's why it is taking. Just refresh it so that it memory will be cleared. Okay. Unexpected token at line number 30. Line number 30. So let us all remove this. Okay. Variable. So like this is the then addition operator. I'll just wait for 3 to 4 minutes and come back. Hi, Al. Sorry for making you wait. So here we can do the assignment of this arithmetic operators as I told you, plus, and we try with the minus. D equal to B minus A. D value will be now 1. Now we'll try with the multiplication. A into B. So 2 into 1, 2. So like this, you can have any other operators you want. Now the value of EV is 2, right? Now you can say like E plus plus. So what is the value? Actually, what is the difference between the post increment and pre increment? I'll let you know. If it is plus plus E, it is 4. Actually, E plus plus means it will increment the value, but it will return the value before incrementing. Plus plus e means it is a pre-increment value, so it will return the value after increment. So that is the difference, e plus plus and e. Okay, I will tell you more about this. So you just remember like this. E plus plus means it will return the value before incrementing. What is the value before incrementing? E value is 2. So it will return the value. Actually, it will increment, but it will return the value before incrementing. Plus plus e means it will return the value after incrementing. So here e plus plus means already it was added the 1. E 2 plus 1 is 3. E plus plus means already 3, but it will return the before incrementing. Plus plus e means already it was 3. Now it will increment 1 more, 4, and it will return the value after incrementing. So this is called post increment. This is called pre increment. Okay. So assignment operators also we have, and division operators, modular operator, and what are assignment. And if you have to assign some, like if you have, suppose let h equal to some text is there, hi, and let I equal to guys. So this is there. So if you want, suppose if you are giving h plus I, so sorry, h plus I. So what is hi guys? So I'm concatenating in two values with the plus. Sometimes I want the space between the hi and guys. So that time what I have to do? So you need to give like this, plus space single quotes and give some space. So how much space you want? Again I concatenate and then I. So now you can say how much space we given, that much space it game. So this is the way we can concate the string using the plus operator. Suppose I want to add this hi then hi plus guys. So if you want like this, suppose let I want to add like a next statement. So in the three statements we are concatenating, right? First we gave let h equal to something, let I equal to something. Then the third one we are concatenating. But I want it in 2 statements only. So h is there. So for h, I am directly adding like this. H plus equal to, and what is the thing you want to add, that you can add. Now you can see hi guys. Okay, in one statement only we have finished everything. Okay, what is the meaning of this? H is equal to h plus guys. So like that. So this is one type of thing to concatenate. And if you want, and I want to tell you about the important thing. Suppose I have some variable a equal to 10. Now I'm creating the string variable a string equal to str equal to hello. Okay, now a plus string. So what will be, as we guessed, it was 10 plus hello only. So we can add a number to the string, but lastly the type of both will be a string only. Suppose I'm creating one variable b equal to, now the type of a is a number, type of string is a string. Now I'm concatenating variable b equal to a plus string. Now we'll check type of b. What is the type of b? String. So 10 plus hello means 10 hello. So then that variable type will become a string. Now we'll do in another way. Suppose I have variable a equal to 1, okay, and b equal to, okay, and variable c equal to I'm making like this, a plus b plus hello. Okay, now get the value of c. So what is the value of c? 1 plus 2 means 3, then 3 plus hello, 3 hello. So like this. So it will start the calculation from the left to right. So left value will be 1 and then the value will be 2. So it do the concatenation, then it will go to the right side. So next we will try like this. First I will give the hello, and next I will give the variable b, then a plus b, a plus b. So what we are expecting now? This time it was 3 hello. So what we are expecting? Hello 3. But it will be not be like that. You can see here. The C value will be hello 1 2 because it will start from the left to right. So first the string is there, then it will concatenating the numbers also into string. So that whole type will be treated as a string. If the string is coming at the first, right, so it will treat the entire line as a string only, and it will just concatenate. It won't do any arithmetic operations. Okay, that we need to remember. And like this, like plus minus into, we will be having the greater than less than. If you want to check something, right, if what is the b value? B value is greater than 1. Already b value is 2, right? If it is greater than 1, if you want to check something, hello console.log hello, or if it is less than 1, then some to show some error message. So that time we can use this greater than, less than. And we do have any some other operator also, this question mark. So the question mark is this a ternary operator. So to check something, so if you want to check the if condition, like if the condition is true, the element, then it goes to the if block. If it is false, then goes to the outside of the block. Instead of that, in the one line itself we can do all the arithmetic operations. Like we can check if the syntax will be like this: if a plus b, sorry, so it will be like a question mark and the two dots will be there. So first will it takes the three, actually it will takes the three operands. Okay, so suppose I am having, I'll taking the variable g equal to 10. Okay, so this is like, will follows the three things: condition, if true, what I have to do here. If it is the condition is false, what is the thing we have to do? So that is, so this is the condition, is the expression whose value is used as a condition, and this true is which is executed if the condition is evaluates to truthy. So this value, if the condition is false, then this value. Okay, so that purpose, suppose I have let me create one thing. Suppose I have, let age equal to, I have 18. Okay, now we need to check the average, like for the order. So that type purpose I'm checking, like let check age limit equal to, if that age is greater than or equal to 18, then he is a major. If not, is a minor. Okay, already it was 18. Okay, here we should not give the space here, or else so like this. Now you can check age limit. It is returning as major because we have defined the value age is 18. Now I'm defining the age as what, 10. Okay, now we'll write the condition again. The age, now the age is 10. Check age limit. Now you can say it is minor. So like this, if you want to do in the one line itself, the condition, if it is the evaluates to this text you want to return. If it is false, if you want to return this text. Okay, like that. the ternary operator will be. And you can also have the logical operator as well. Suppose logical operator means like this. Logical operators. So it will be like a and or logical not. So if you want to check the multiple conditions, right, you can use this and operator. If you want to check like one of the condition, either first one or second one, if any one of the true, then if you want to go to some code block, then we can go with the or. And this is logical not. So suppose you want to check it is not 18 or not this. If you want to check that purpose, this logical not you can use. And you have another operators also, like a left shift, right shift, and tilde operator and the XOR operator, so that will be there. So basically we'll be using this and or. So these three will be mostly we are using, so we will learn about that. Okay, so we'll create a new file to, or else we'll continue here only. So logical operator means if the two condition is true, then only it will be goes to the next line. Okay, that we will try, and like this we'll try triple equal to and double equal to also. That is also an important concept we will learn. Okay, suppose I have some value like let a equal to something 10. Okay, and I want to check if that number is less than 20 and greater than 15. I want to check, so both the conditions it has to be. Then you have to check let if condition, you can take if a is less than 20 and a is also a greater. If you don't know that number, if a is greater than 15, then I want to evaluate some condition. Console.log yes. So like this. Now you can see my script.js. This is first JS only. No? We are executing first JS only. Or else we can change the variable to thing. Here we will be having the else condition also will add, then see if it is breaking or not. Console.log outside if a value okay. So the condition was not satisfied. I gave a is less than 10, right? And I'm checking if it is less than 20 and greater than 15. It is not greater than 15, that's why it is going to the else block. It is greater than 9 or thing, so in between 9 to 20, then it goes to the if block. So now you can see the condition is S. So both the conditions it should satisfy this and this. So in the previous example we gave 15. That time it is not satisfying because this A is 10 only. It is not greater than the 15. 10 is greater than 15, which is a false. Now I want to evaluate one thing, like even though if it is true or it is true, even any one of the true, then also I have to go. Then we can go with this logical operator. This is called OR operator. Now it goes to the yes. Now you can see if it is this one or this one, any one of that you want to make it true. Like if you want to check any one of this true, then you can go with this OR operator. And we have NOT operator. Suppose I want to check A is not equal to not equal to 20. Suppose I want to check equal to and not equal to. If it is a equal to 10, then I want to go to some condition. Then it goes to the yes. And if I give any other value 20, basically a is 10, it goes to the else block. So like that. And if I want to check a, if a is not equal to 20, means it goes to the yes if block. So like this we are mostly using this and or and not. Okay. And ternary operator I already explained you. And I want to make you learn about some data types. Okay. So what are the major data types in JavaScript? Data types. Okay. As you are aware, like some of the things you already know: number, string, boolean, and arrays, objects, functions. So these are the types we have. So if you want to create a number, simply what we have to do, variable a equal to 1, and automatically the type of a will be number. Now we are giving variable b equal to hello. Okay, now you can check type of b is a string. So like this we can create a strings and numbers. So these we can call JavaScript as these dynamic types, means the same variable can be used to hold different data types. So here we gave variable b equal to hello. Again you can update it as a number also, like this 10, and now you can have a type of b number. So automatically it will changing. That's why these are called dynamic. And you can create a variable with a string with the double quotes as well as a single quotes as well. Okay, and you can create the numbers, and you can create a variable boolean also. Boolean means what? Either true or false. True or false. So if you are giving the condition like this, right? The a value is 1, b value is 10, a equal to b. So what it is returning? False. So if it is the b value is 10, now I'm updating the a also 10. Okay, now we will check a equal to b, it is returning true. So this is called boolean values, either true or false. But next we'll be having the arrays. So how to create an array? If you want to create an array, variable array equal to, this is a syntax way, square brace open, and here you can create a variable with the numbers or strings. Here I'm creating with the numbers 1, comma 2, comma 3. Now you can have this array here. So you can see it is returning an array which has the 3 elements. So what are these 0 1 2? So it is a 0th index, it is a 1th index, and this is the second index. And what is this length will be 3, 1 2 3. So this is the array length. So it will start the index from the 0, but it will count the length as 3, 1 2 3. So this is the way array we can create. Let us create another array with strings as well. H, hello, oh, single quotes I missed. HL, hello. Now you can print array 1. Now you can see the array 1 is created with this characters, and the 0 index is this, 1th index is this, like this up to 4th index we have these values. And what is the array length here? 5. Okay, like this we can create arrays, and there are so many methods to handle these arrays. Okay, let us create an object as well. So how to create an object? Variable, and this is a syntax, object is equal to. So if you have to create an object, you have to use this curly braces, open brace and open curly brace and close curly brace and give the semicolon here and give the shift enter, okay, in the console if you want, or else you can directly create here as well. So in the JavaScript here I am creating variable object equal to open the curly brace, close the curly brace. Here you can give name is a like Mary, and age 50, and you can give occupation or job doctor. So like this, okay, you can create an object. Now we will see the console of this. Here we have to follow the syntax like this: open the curly brace, close the curly brace. This is the key name, this is the key value. If you are declaring any a string, right, just give it in a single quotes or double quotes, and if you are giving the number, no need of that single quotes. Okay, here job also I am considering as a string, name also string, age also converting as referring as a number, and the salary, whatever the number part side, you don't need to give the like a single quotes. Now you can give console.log my object is, here you can console.log. Now we will refresh it. We can remove this unexpected token at MyScript 17. In the 17th line there will be error. Oh, I have to give the comma here, and unexpectedly I give the semicolon. You should give the comma over here for each key, and it is a key name and value. After that give a comma here. So like this. Now you can see, so as we have added the breakpoint, it is automatically highlighting it. Remove that actually. So remove the breakpoints. Okay. Now play it. Now you can see that object is, this is a, what are the available things we have. We will learn about more into object. Okay, just we will learn about the data types. Okay, here what is the object? The age is this, and the job is this, and the name is this. This is the object, and you can have also console log also. So like this it will print. That is a creation of an object. Okay, now we'll check what are the type of each. So already we know the type of number, type of the string, type of the boolean value. So type of true we'll see. So what type of true is boolean, and type of false is boolean, and type of what we learn about arrays, right? So what is the array we have created? Let's create one array. Actually it is exist or not, actually we created and we refreshed, right? So just we will create an array variable equal to, if you want to create an array, square base 1 comma 2. So if the class ends, we'll continue tomorrow, okay? And